am talking about renovation loans this week. So I know all of y'all are wondering, how in the world are all of our friends, are these average Johns and Janes, becoming these Chips and Joannas from Fixer Upper? And where are they getting the money to renovate their current homes, the ones that they own or the ones that they're buying? And I got to tell you, this is one of my favorite products. I'm so excited. So again, I'm Brandy Whitmire. I work in Dallas. I'm nationwide. I'm a direct lender, banker, broker. So we have every product that you can probably think of. And one of my favorite ones we're talking about today, it's 3 different types of renovation loans. So, hi, Marquita. Loud and clear. Good. Okay. So ask any questions that you have while I'm talking about this. This is one of my favorite products that we do. It's really exciting. Those of you who know me know that I've been flipping homes since 2004. I've got 19 under my belt. I've got 2 developments happening right now. I'm itching to do my 20th one just so I can say the 20 instead of 19. So I love building things. I love turning something old or run down and making it beautiful again, making it functional again. So I really, really, really love this product. So there are basically 3 different types of renovation loans. And I'm not going to get too far into it because it's really going to be it's a case-by-case basis which product you need. But there are two different types of 2 to 3K loans. Now, these are only for primary resident buyers, okay? It's a government loan. It's always going to have mortgage insurance. You can do as little as 3.5% down. But basically, there is a 2 or 3K streamline. So if you just need a roof, or you need a touch-up in a bathroom or a bedroom, or you need some kind of cosmetic work done, then this is going to be the product for you. It's super easy. It's fast. We can get these closed. I mean, as soon as you get your bids, we send you over to our concierge. They help you throughout the process with your HUD consultant, with your contractors, and we close the loan and they deal with it from there. I mean, it's super easy, quick, easy fix if you need just basic cosmetic work done. The second 2 or 3K loan is called basically a full consultant or a standard. And that's basically where you can move a load-bearing wall. You're not capped at the $35,000 that you are on the streamline. And basically anything that there's a lot more that you can do. Garage build out, removing walls, appliances, things like that, which you can do for both as well. Again, that is only for a primary residence. That is for current homeowners. So if you want to refinance and do work to the home that you're in, you can do that. And it's for purchasing a new home. The third, renovation's on the rise, Kyla. And Kyla is your woman. She is our extraordinary loan partner and works with our concierge department. So she's awesome. She's on the team and she kills it. So thank you, Kyla. Every day, thank you. So the third one is a Fannie Mae home style renovation loan. So the cool thing about this one is, again, there's not really a cap to how much work you can do. It just has to be 50% of the total value at the end. Anyway, we'll get there. But what I like about this one is that for the investors out there and for the people who are buying second homes, let's say you're here and you're buying a second home in Florida, it needs a little bit of work, you can use this product. You're going to be limited by whatever, 10% or a 90% loan to value. Investors, 80% loan to value. Primary residents will be at 95% loan to value. So for as little as 5% down, you can get into this loan. And home style, another thing about is basically if there's foundation on the ground, anything up from that, just about, you're going to be able to add into the renovations. So, those are the 3 different types. Again, I don't want to get too far into it. Whatever you can think of, we'll talk it through. There are some limitations on what you can do, what you can't. For example, you want to, build a barbecue pit. No, I mean, like there are certain things that we can and can't do. However, I know that Fannie Mae is in talks right now about adding things like outdoor kitchens and things like that. So don't say no. Just anytime you have a question or someone or whatever, just reach out to us and we'll see where we are at that point with the guidelines. But I want to talk about, for the homeowners, why would I want to do this? Why wouldn't I just sell my home, grab my equity, and put money down onto another property? Well, as you know, inventory all around the country is low. Like we have realtors all the time talking about how where they're having to drive further and further out. People with want to keep their kids in certain school districts. You're buying an older home and it needs renovation. You've been in that home for a long time, and things just just become obsolete. There's a functional obsolescence. There is things that go wrong, just like a car. So it might just need a touch up, or it just needs an update. So as a homeowner, what are my benefits? Okay, I want to make my home new again. I need to refresh it. I want to get work done to it so I can sell it at the highest value possible to take even more equity and put it into that new house. And maybe I don't have to live as far out as I would normally have to because of home values. Maybe I can buy somewhere closer now because I've done all this work. Or maybe I just fall in love with my house all over again because now it's fresh. I know it. I love it. And you just fall in love with things that you are making beautiful, that you're refreshing, that you're touching up. So as a homeowner, redoing your house and selling it at a higher value, falling in love again, obviously, and it's a wonderful product. Now, if you're a buyer, same things. It gives you more choices. You're out there looking at homes, and if you can see past the pink walls, the yellow toilet, all the crap that's going on in these listings that need work, if you can see past that and have some vision, then you can take a house, knock down walls, build out a new kitchen, do all kinds of things and make it your own, and in an area that you want, or in a school district that you want, or whatever, or the kind of architecture that you want. Some of these houses are being built out and out now. They're a little bit more cookie cutter. You might want some more character, whatever the case may be. So, being able to customize your home for you, whether you're living in it or you're buying it right now, it's awesome. To me, I love it. Is there some pain points? Yeah, because you're dealing with contractors doing that, but it's so worth it. And the benefit, the value that you get at the end is just awesome. I mean, if you've ever redone a cabinet or done an art project, imagine this like tenfold. It's incredible. It's so gratifying. I want to add to like garage build outs for investors out there on that home style loan I was talking about. You could take a duplex and make it into a single family. You can take a single family and make it into a duplex. There are really fun things you can do as an investor as well. And for the agents out there, as an agent, I strongly urge agents to become experts in renovation loans, or start thinking about it that way, because not only it's going to give your buyers more options, if you can help them see past the ugly landscaping, the horrible paint, the yellow tile, the pink shag rug floor, I mean, all that, if you can help them see past that and give them some vision on some of these properties that need to be redone. And there are areas and neighborhoods in all areas of the country that severely need to be done or be gentrified or be so that it builds out the community and it builds out the value. The more houses that get redone in these inner city neighborhoods, the better it's going to be. The values will continue to maintain or rise. So what's good for that? It's good for the community. It's good. It creates velocity. It's good for the economy. It's just good for everyone. And as a realtor, this gives you extra ways to market. You can partner with us. We are the #1 renovation lender in the country by a landslide. And I'm not saying that it's like literal numbers, by a landslide, the #1 renovation lender in the country. And I strongly believe we have worked tooth and nail since I've been here 6.5 years. And I'll tell you the truth. When I worked at my previous place, I wouldn't touch a renovation loan. They didn't know how to do them. It was horrible. The process was horrible. Here, it's just like doing a regular loan. So this is for everyone, for buyers, homeowners, realtors. This is like a regular loan. So the only thing different for us than doing a regular loan is that you have to get your bids done up front. So you get your bids, as soon as you have your bids done and you've worked with your contractors, it goes through the process just like a regular loan, and we close. So it is now, home ownership has been transferred. The title company has closed the loan. Everybody's done. At that point, the buyer works with our concierge department with the contractors and the HUD consultants and gets everything done, and our concierge make sure and the HUD consultant makes sure that there's eyes on the project, that everyone's safe, that our interest as a lender is being protected, as well as the buyer. So these are, I mean, it's an awesome product. Even if, no matter where you are, if you're inner city going out, I mean, no matter what you're doing, as a realtor, I really strongly urge you to reach out to us, get some marketing materials from us, start talking to your buyers about it, start getting more listings, start talking to the sellers about it, because some sellers are out there and they're just staying in their homes because they don't know that they think they can only get a cash offer. They think, well, this house is not eligible for financing. Show me a house that's not eligible for renovation financing. Show me. Because even if you don't have foundation, I've got a construction to perm product that I can talk about next week. Show me. There is financing available for just about every listing out there in some way, shape, or form, unless it's just a complete tear down, which again, we have a construction to perm product for that. So show me one that's not financeable. I mean, I feel very strongly about this because I see so many people not know their options. I see sellers lose money, stop paying their mortgage because they can't afford the taxes on it anymore, and they have to get a cash offer. I see friends of mine and clients get bad information, have to move away from the school district that they needed for their child, that they wanted for their child, move their child outside of the school district where that child had all their friends, and move somewhere because they did not know that they could get a renovation loan with basically no money out of pocket. An appraisal, everything's financed, and your hand is held through the entire project. And it's gratifying, it's amazing, it helps everyone. So I don't mean to sound mad about all that. I don't mean to get too emphatic about it, but I do feel strongly about it. It's an awesome product. If you have any more questions whatsoever on the renovation loans, the construction of perm, which basically build it from the ground up, obviously any kind of loan or finance, I'll always say, reach out. We will help you in every way, shape, form possible we can. We will give you all the information that we need. We will guide you and hold your hand through the entire project and make sure that you feel safe in your transaction. So again, I am Brandy Whitmire. I hope that I gave you some good information this week. I would love to see, I will answer all of your questions that are in the comments as we go, and tonight or tomorrow. And I will be back next week, Wednesday at 6 p.m. Hope to talk to you soon. Thanks.